Hello friends, today we will talk about index chain cryptocurrency. Its rank is 3199 and around 2453 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is indexchain.org and this is its price $0.05092. BTC is 218% high and ETH is 206% high. Low price is $0.0567 and high price is $0.967. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $100 here and in $100 we are getting around 1900 index chain coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is 350 million IDX coin. After that we will open its website and click on indexchain.org. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like home, wallet, roadmap, technology, exchange, white paper, community and resources. We can join on Twitter, Telegram and other social media. Live your privacy with IndexChain. Welcome to the virtual world where privacy matter. No more fear of being monitored. And we can view white paper. How can index chain be mined? Delve deeper into hybrid currency simultaneously containing the three type of mining: POW, POS and masternode. Index chain IDX can be mined in any conversational way. Feel free to choose the best form of mining blocks. How does Index add privacy to the blockchain? Index is designed from the ground up with a singular focal point: privacy, utilizing privacy protocol informed by industry expert to create crypto system especially designed to facilitate anonymous transaction. It powered by the Sigma privacy protocol based on the academic peer out of many proofs or how to leak a secret and spend a coin. It's replaced the RSA accumulators through Redarson community and eliminates the need of trust setup. Technology, we understand the minutiae of the supporting technology isn't for everyone. Below are simplified explanation of why we implemented certain technology. We highly recommend read our white paper. Anonymize transaction. Our privacy protocol allow user to engage in transaction anonymously as privacy in the Tor integration. If the looking a cryptocurrency that's safe and secure, that look on no further as index. Dandelions integration. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin have been plugged with the issue of third-party viewer. Masternode. These high-performance nodes increase the security anonymity within the index. Hybrid mining. Index chain can be mined in any conventional way, allowing you to take hybrid transaction built for privacy. We believe that allowing anonymous spending ensure privacy. Why index? Index chain is designed for user privacy and settling transaction with anonymously designation with deploying industry leading encryption method. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it, and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet, and if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and click on Ethereum, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section and we will open Uniswap exchange. Go to Uniswap exchange and click on Uniswap exchange, and Uniswap exchange has been opened. After that we will click on select a token and here we can search coin using name or its address, and we will select a coin like 1 inch. After that click on this icon, and here we will enter slippage according to your token, and after entered slippage we will enter number of coins here. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.